If you want to make a full-time income from YouTube, ad revenue should never be your main revenue stream. It's too unpredictable, and quite frankly, there are better ways to make more money. Here's what you need to remember. Attention equals money. If you have people's attention, people who are watching your videos and liking your content, then there are countless other ways you can monetize. For example, did you know that one of the richest YouTubers in the world is 9-year-old Ryan Cagey? Some estimate his revenue to be around $30 million a year. But that's not because of ads. It's because he set up other revenue streams through his channel. The beauty is, anyone can do this, even with a very small audience. And let's start with method 1. Affiliate marketing. Even if your channel has 0 subscribers, you can start monetizing right away with affiliate marketing. This is where you partner with businesses who have products or services your audience may like, and you promote them within your video. You'll get a unique affiliate link which you can put in the description, and every time someone buys through your link, you'll get a commission from the sale. You don't have to deal with making the product, shipping it, managing it, customer support, anything. Just make sure it's a great product you think your audience will genuinely like, and then you can promote it and get commission on every future sale made through your link, even months or years later after posting the video. You can find products to promote through affiliate marketplaces like ClickBank, but you can also try reaching out to businesses directly if there's something specific you want to promote. As for how much YouTubers can make with this, it varies wildly. If they're using something like the Amazon affiliates program, it won't be a lot of money, possibly a few $100s at most, because they're getting such a tiny percentage of the sale. But if they're promoting something like a digital course or software, it's likely they may be getting 50% or even more of the sale, because the business doesn't have any costs to make more copies. And so there are affiliate deals I've seen where YouTubers are getting several $100s per sale, sometimes even more. But now let's look at the second way YouTubers monetize their channels, which is sponsorships. This is where instead of getting a percentage of the sale, like affiliate marketing, you get a fixed amount up front to advertise a product or service within your video. Once again though, don't think sponsors are just for the big channels. This channel started getting sponsorship requests not long after 1,000 subscribers. Because it's not just about the number of subscribers, it's about how well the sponsored product matches the audience. Of course, there are some brands that seem to dominate sponsorships all across YouTube that you've no doubt heard many creators promoting. But again, remember, you can reach out to any company directly and try to make sponsorship deals. However, I would strongly recommend only promoting sponsors you actually think are good for your audience, because otherwise it will dilute the value of your recommendations. Whereas if you only work with sponsors you know will be worthwhile for your audience, it will mean it's good for them, better results for the sponsor, and therefore even more money and credibility for you. Everyone wins. But let's talk money. Someone like Mr. Beast will easily be able to negotiate 6-figure sponsorship deals because every video gets so many millions of views. But even at around 10,000 subscribers, you can still be getting sponsors of around $1,000 if you have a highly engaged audience and a sponsor who's a great fit. Don't undersell yourself though, always ask for more money up front so you have room to negotiate. But now let's talk about number 3. Patreon and fan crowdfunding. When you've got fans who like your channel, a lot of them will be willing to donate money to help support you, in return for extra behind the scenes clips or earlier access to your content. YouTube itself does have a built-in channel memberships program now, along with paid super chats on live streams, but most creators seem to go for Patreon instead. But either way, let's do the maths here. If fans gave just $5 a month for access to some extra bonus content, if 1,000 people join, that's $5,000 recurring every month. And so you can see how the big channels with loads of fans can drastically increase their income by offering this kind of thing. But now we need to talk about number 4. Selling a product. Now, when it comes to selling products through your YouTube channel, most YouTubers go the route of selling merchandise. So for huge channels like PewDiePie, this can be very profitable. But when you have a small audience, just throwing your brand name onto some random t-shirt or mug probably isn't gonna make a lot of money. I have seen people have some success by running limited edition merch campaigns, but what if you thought about selling a product that was directly useful for your audience? One very profitable option here is to create some form of digital course. Because if your audience enjoy your free YouTube content, it's likely some of them would be happy to pay to learn more from you. This can apply in most niches: fitness, dating, business. If you're sharing knowledge on your channel, there's a very good chance some people would pay for a full system where you can teach things much more in depth. Once you start selling your own product, your revenue can really skyrocket because now you've transitioned from just being a YouTuber to running a YouTube business.